Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Google Chrome latest stable version on AlmaLinux OS 9.7, but the process is same on all AlmaLinux OS 9 versions. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with AlmaLinux, that is Firefox. Then go to Google or any search engine, search for download Google Chrome. Then click on Google Chrome web browser, then click on download Chrome, then select RPM for Fedora, OpenSUSE, RHEL, AlmaLinux, RHEL-Linux type operating systems. Then click on accept and install. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is about 115 megabytes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Then go to downloads, CD, downloads, ls. See, here we have the Google Chrome stable current version RPM package. We have to install it. Sudo rpm-ivh node apps, then Google, then press the tab to autofill entire RPM package name, hit enter, provide the password of the admin account. See, we have installed 142. Okay, so go to all applications. See, here we have the Google Chrome. Click on it to open. If you want to make Google Chrome as the default browser, you have to keep this checkbox. If you want automatically send usage statistics and cross reports to Google, you have to select this one. It is up to you. I don't want either of them. Then click on OK. Click on don't sign in. Got it. See, you got the Google Chrome web browser. Okay, so this is the way to download and install Google Chrome latest stable current version on AlmaLinux OS. Okay, for more Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.